Universal Studios Singapore. So it's just me and the kids. So we only got 3 tickets. Yeah, with Yuna. Yes.
I want to get 1,000 tickets.
Okay, so you can buy your tickets here. And there's a locker area here. So this is the locker area. No, darling. What is that? Oh, that's for the coin souvenir. So this is the locker area. So it's full na. So they accept Visa, MasterCard, and
Where's
cash.
ours, Mom?
Let's go. We don't have, darling. So dahil naka season pass tayo, dito kami sa priority lane. So there's the priority lane for the express pass. Yes, go. Go, go. Okay, go, go. So, iscan lang nila yung ID namin. Go, Franco. Just go, Hunter. So, this is the VIP reception and guest locker. Let's go.
A lot of people like this place,
Super daming tao. Oh, see, it's got popcorn. $10. We're here in Minion Land.
Mom. We can eat on this one.
Okay.
There's a minion.
Yeah.
Mom, remember
Yes po. Later we eat there, okay? The Silly Swirl ride. Okay. Okay.
Not the bomb. It won't bomb when it goes like this. It won't do like
The swirly ride. So,
So fast.
super early, 30 minutes waiting time na agad. Ayan, nagtatalo na yung dalawa.
Go. Come on, go. Tell me why. If you tell why, I will don't go. Okay? I want to go. Come on. Just one. Go. Okay, now.
So, park muna tayo here.
Let's go there first.
No, it's super long there. We're gonna go Buggy Boogie. Are you ready to ride, Faith? So, if the kids is below 122, kailangan may kasama silang parents. Let's go, Hunter! Our first ride. The Buggy Boogie ride. Hi, Faith! Oh, oh, you're excited? You're excited to ride? Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Gonna go ride that? Hi, Faith! Gonna go ride Buggy Boogie. Hi! Say hi. Go to the car! Franco, go to the car! Come on! Go, go! At our own car! Yay! sit with Hanto. Because only 2 person allowed.
That's our hotel.
Yes, is it? Oh, yeah.
So nearby.
Faith's first ride for today, Buggy Boogie. So, if may kids kayo, kailangan dito sila nakasakay sa stationary seat. Dede lang, dede. So, ayan. Stationary seat kami kasi wala si Daddy. Are you excited? What are we gonna ride next after this? Maybe Shrek?
Yes. But not you.
You should dance. Di ba you're my little dancer?
Welcome back, party people. Please continue to remain seated until the ride.
We survived our first. Right, yeah, we're gonna go Shrek. Yes.
Can we ride this with our friends?
Yes. We survived our first ride, Buggy Boogie. Now we're gonna go Shrek.
Mama!
Yeah. Get Minion Mayhem. Para indoor, ang init kasi. So, ito lang yung friend, katabi ni Minion lang. Go mo, Franco, we're gonna put the stroller. Down, down. Yes. We're gonna put the stroller first. Can you let me drink some water? I want your water. Is it cold? So, may mga stroller parking. Bago kayo sumakay ng... Don't forget to bring your water bottle. Sobrang init. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng ice para re-refillan na lang namin ng water. Okay, you bring this. We're gonna refill some water. Let's go. Franco, wait for me there. This is not his castle. This is Lord Farquaad's castle. Go, Franco. Where are you going? Haba ng pila. Pero
That's Pinocchio, man.
yeah, that's Pinocchio. For second ride, check. Ito hindi gumagalaw. Stationary seat. If it's okay. Go put... Okay, let's go. We're done. Here's to get our stroller. Come on, we get our stroller again. try the Minion. Gonna go try the Minion Mayhem. Tapos na kami sa Shrek. Nagising yung si Face. So this is the popcorn stand. And the price is $10. Banana flavor. Golden pop. What? Oh no! Oh no! Franco Gru! Hi Gru! Oh, kakain daw kami dito sa Super Hungry Food Stand ni Minion. Nakapila kami sa Hungry Food Stand sa Minion Land. Oh, go check, go check.
We got French fries.
Hold, can you hold?
I'm holding. We got this one.
Okay, okay. Oh.
We got Minion hash brown, chicken.
Yung mga may
Mom, turn around. There's this one, Mom. Rice, chicken. Hash brown.
Okay. How about you get the lunchbox? You don't want the lunchbox? This one, no? The mini lunchbox? This one? Yes.
Yes, I want.
I'm... Oh, okay, I'll check later.
$19, $19, $20.
20.
This one is $10, $12.
Wow! Just the 4 of us.
Okay. Do you have any voucher?
Yes. We got the season pass.
Okay. So,
Can we go on the couch? Thank you so much.
you have a take a seat first.
Thank you. Wow! What is it? Yeah, so nice. Sit na, sit.
It's cute, Mom.
Sean. So nice.
Gun.
Yeah, the fart gun. Can I get 1 Minion toss, 1 French fries, and 1 chili crab? That's all. So we got the buzzer. We're gonna claim the food. Thank you. Wow, super cute. Here na, Franco, look. Whoa! Wait, wait. Wait, you sit here first. Here. Here. Here na, here na. Your letter. Cheese. Hello. Cheese here. Cheese. Franco. Yummy. So, ito yung in-order ko. Mantaw.
The yellow one.
This is bread. Mantaw with
Red one.
chili crab sauce. Chili crab.
Red one.
Chili crab bread.
Is it black chocolate?
No, this is bread.
Mom, do you need to dip the bread in
Yes, correct. You wanna try?
Mom, is the black the chocolate?
No. You wanna try?
I don't want to put chili crab.
Why?
Then I just taste.
And then you're gonna dip it.
Then I just taste. And it looks like it's going to be hot.
Yeah.
And I
Super cute.
eye.
Let's eat. in the chili crab?
Isn't this nice?
Spicy eh.
I don't want
Okay. And then we're gonna try the mini tots. So this is $12. No, Franco, no. This is a potato. This is potato.
Oh.
I taste it, potato.
Mom, you do this one. I
No, no, darling. Wait, darling. Wait, wait. Oh, you do together. Oh. How about do together? Oh, you need to say something. What's that? You tell them what's that. Bread. Minion bread. Oh, finish na. Hey, are you gonna eat this? Iwan mo? Iwan mo? Oh, eat, eat. Always bring wet wipes. Kasi hindi libre ang wet wipes. Ay, naku, pait. Kulit. Ha? Oh, yeah. Wow. Ba. No more na. Bello. Let's go.
Thank you.
$5. You find $5. Very fun. You check. Oh, it's so expensive. I don't know. You check. Oh, that's a highlighter. That's a coloring.
What did you say, Mom? What kind of we need to buy?
Princess. Wait, look. Hair accessories. $19. So expensive. Super cute mugs. $35. Water bottle. $18. Wow, super cute.
Let's go.
Hi. Wow, super cute. Yes. What's that?
$19. What is $19?
Oh, it's 19.
Not this one.
What is it? $45.
Can I have it?
No, it's so expensive, kuya. 5. Nag-check out na nga po sila. Can we use our voucher? We got 3 voucher, I think. So my restroom, guest services, and rentals. I'm just gonna ask something. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask something. The one that we're watching, remember? Guest services. We go to the baby room. Wow, there's a movie. It's Gabby. So this is the baby room for baby changing area. Hi, Yuna. So my water dispenser, washing hands, and breastfeeding area. Hi, Faith! Hi, Faith! And my projector pa sila for kids. Is it? Oh yeah, the direct. Okay. So, uuwi na kami. Babalik na kami sa hotel. Kasi ayaw na nila sumakay. Let's go! So, thank you for watching. Sana matapos natin ang pag-edit ng video na ito. And don't forget to book your Universal Studios ticket on Agoda and use our promo code CrazyAgoda for additional discount. Thank you for watching! Bye!